Yentwa ni Infantintum e Ghana nkomom dia na ese club issues no Kumase Krobia Asante Kotoko chief executive officer fence na Amponsa ese sa na management members no ana afi board members ni bi emom kopie mu e Ghana mampanyi akache na Ghana mampanyi his excellency na Akufo-Addo e de nkomo timi se Jom Sampa ohwe nkoma na neo Amponsa dia ba as chief executive officer no de ne nkwala brim bese 5 years ton ano no sha se wo support Kotoko eni to gidi pa se Kotoko to na mopa e de aba na akache dia Joma wa tu asan hwemkutu pa se wo mon koso mo adwuma pa se bebiti ansambo a emakuma se Krobia Asante Kotoko bobuku no etimi etumpon e wo dwumadi a wo ma sha se edi mu
Kotoko bobuku na no mechere board and management members omode omani kire omampanyini aso ye wan krampopuni mantem ha na omane ne kwatena ase etoto adwene efiti bra ye pound penifo ese omone mbeda bobuku ya no omode nema gu akwan mu a omobɔ adwuma enanso na ehu behia ese ombehunu Ghana mampanyini na Adom Akufo-Addo na omode batu nanim adwuma mobɔ ya boa bobuku yi ene santi empenifo bepie mu no na Adom Akufo-Addo se wahu adwuma empenifo yi bɔ enemu mo obɛhye omo so omo nkoso mbɔ adwuma se na be adwuma otumfo de ahye omo nsa no ombaye ne ye na bobuku no gina ne naso.
I'm very happy to see the caliber of people who have been assembled and who are around this table to begin the revival of Kotoko. I think that Otumfo, as usual, has proved to be very astute in the choice of people that he has made, and it's something that we should support him and support you to make a success of it. So thank you very much for coming. The discussions will not end here today. You will hear from me either directly or through the sports ministry, and we will sit down and try and work out some mechanism for being able to help the club and begin again the new journey of Asante Kotoko. I think it's very important. I'm excited by the idea.
Na board member ni tin de Kojo Boatin Jemfi enso dara na Adom Akufo-Addo ase na wasanso hye ne bose empanifo da ko na no nyina omoni mu de na ombaye de ombetumi na Asante Kotoko ko no akonanim.
We have really in the early stages we didn't have a chief executive, so we took the management of the administration of the club onto ourselves, and so far I must say we have done very well. We have been able to raise a substantial amount for the CEO to work with. And I think our choice of the CEO was very strategic because he knows the business. And so far, with his able lieutenants like Denta and all of them, I think they have a good vision for the club.
Na CEO na ya Amponsa so say Africa kwentu kesi omode omani kire no adane tikasem ne santi obesere na Adom Akufo-Addo so omeso omasene no my Ghana franka no opagya konkonkon.
Asante Kotoko's selection to represent Ghana at the African Cup Championships is similar to that of the Black Stars playing at the AFCON. We are going to carry the flag of Ghana high. Until recently, about 10 years ago, Ghana had 4 slots in African club competitions. Due to non-participation of clubs owing to lack of funds and poor performances, Ghana has lost these slots to 2. It is our fervent wish that within your next 4 years, God willing, we will be able to bring back the 2 lost slots. If there is any club in this country to lead that charge, to win back the slots for Ghana, then it is Asante Kotoko. However, we cannot do it without financial support, considering the COVID situation, lack of funds to the stadium, lack of transfers. It is our plea that if you can help us with 10% of what was voted for the Black Stars in the last AFCON, we can go far and help Ghana restore the 2 slots that we lost.
nti utimi sampa anamon papa ba kwa na ya mponsa timi se tu e dia tekotoko anim no ene se obe page management ne board members ne dia kopiem wo eye nanado danko Akufo-Addo ho ma Ghana mampanyi utimi se na ni kasem kese pa e de ma hihya wo do utimi se piem no na hu a na je se PG Mosaic kasamafo panyi na afi Manuel Dasobere ene mpemfo tututu ne twetwetwa wo mo e wo kotoko no wo mi na odi mo ekopiem ho a entempa so sade na hintasem esan tu bia se koroko eyia na clubs nkuma na aka no so okruma no eno so eyi ene ti utimi sampa wedie na mompa ba kwa koroko titafo ene Ghana fo na etuche e de amana na yamponsa se watimi esa nwa so bitia aboa ma nema etia kwede mom sana moyi nka Ghana Football Association president ana nka so utimi tu na odi 18 clubs ni na mo partner felinius ekoja na afi etimi hwese be bitia aboa batkotoko edi kan etimu deda a mo hwe nim se omno be praprachiri